So if you've watched the training expert trainings from inside the members area right here, you've gone far, you've watched maybe one, two, three, or maybe you watched everything. We need your feedback. Yes, we need your feedback, your review, your comments, anything you have to say about the training. So we want to have it so we can use them, on our sign up page right here. So as you can see, a lot of people left their feedback, their comments about our training. So that's what we use right here. So we actually need more of it. So we can flaunt it on the home page so it's going to help you to get more conversion as well. So anybody even bring right here to come and check it out, to check out our platform, they won't actually have a second thought to join. So it's going to help both of us, it's going to help me, and it's going to help you to convert your traffic into leads and then into upgrades into your own referrals. So we need your feedback, and it's very simple. Once you are done with the expert trainings, just scroll down and then you see your feedback. Click on your feedback and then just come here and then click right here. Click here. So once you click here to leave your feedback, it's going to direct you straight to the Facebook group, to the post in the Facebook group, which is this is the post right here. So you can see. So this is where you can leave your review, your comments, your feedback about the expert trainings or anything so far you have experienced inside online monthly income. And the thing is, we are giving out 3,000 naira. Yes, 3,000 naira to the best feedback or to the best comments or the best review about the platform. So go ahead. You can see we have some persons have left feedback inside the group already, and so we still want more. Make sure you can add yours too at the comment section. Just add your own feedback, and then we'll appreciate it because we want to add it to our landing page so we have as many, even if it's up to 100, we want to add them right here. So it won't be so it becomes very easy, extremely easy for you to convert your traffic efforts into leads, and then you get subscribers signing up because they have seen testimonials, they have seen any proofs, they have seen everything that truly, yes, this actually works. So go ahead and log into your members area, go to the feedback section, click on the link right here. It directs you to the post inside the Facebook group, and then scroll down and then leave your own honest feedback, decent feedback about the expert trainings or about online monthly income. So thank you very much, and I'll be expecting your feedback, your comments, and your review about the platform. Thank you. Enjoy the